Hey there! Frustrated with your controller not working on PC Remote Play? You're not alone. Many gamers face this challenge. Fear not, help is at hand. In this guide, we'll walk you through step by step to solve your controller woes, get you back in the game, and ensure you never miss a moment of action. Step 1. Check your controller's compatibility. First things first, let's ensure your controller is compatible with PC Remote Play. Most modern controllers, like the Xbox and PlayStation controllers, are supported. However, older or off-brand models may require additional software or drivers. Check the manufacturer's website for compatibility details and ensure your controller is up to date with the latest firmware. Step 2. Update your drivers. Outdated or missing drivers are often the culprits behind a controller not working on PC Remote Play. Begin by heading to the device manager on your PC. Locate Human Interface Devices or Bluetooth, depending on how your controller is connected. Right-click on your controller and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for updated driver software to let Windows find the necessary update. Alternatively, visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers manual. Step 3. Configure controller settings. Next, make sure your controller is set up correctly for Remote Play. Open the Remote Play app and navigate to the settings. Under the controller section, check if your controller appears and is selected as the primary device. If it doesn't show up, try reconnecting the controller or restarting the app. For further customization, use Steam's Big Picture mode. Open Steam, click on the big picture icon in the top right corner, and select Controller Settings to configure your controller preference. Step 4. Check Bluetooth or USB connection. If your controller uses Bluetooth, ensure it's paired correctly with your PC. Go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth, and other devices on your Windows to verify your controller is connected. If the connection is unstable, try unpairing and then repairing the device. For USB connections, try different ports on your PC and ensure your cable is in good condition. Damaged or loose cable might be the issue. Step 5. Run Hardware Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter that can diagnose and fix common hardware problems. To access it, open Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Scroll down to Hardware and Devices. Click Run the Troubleshooter and follow the prompts to identify and resolve any issue. Step 6. Adjust Remote Play settings. Sometimes the issue lies within the Remote Play settings itself. Open the app and navigate to the Settings menu. Experiment with different settings under the Video Quality or Performance section to optimize the connection between your controller and PC. Lowering the video quality might improve performance if latency is affecting the controller's responsiveness. Step 7. Reinstall Remote Play app. If all else fails, a fresh installation of the Remote Play app could solve persistent problems. Uninstall the app from your PC. Restart your system and download the latest version of the app from the official website. Reinstall and set up everything again. Sometimes this fresh start is just what you need to clear up any software glitches. By following these steps on how to fix your controller not working on PC Remote Play, you should be back to seamless gaming in no time. Whether it was a simple driver update or a complete app reinstall, these solutions cover the most common issues you'll encounter. Enjoy your gaming experience free from controller hiccups, and remember to periodically check for updates, everything running smoothly. Happy gaming!